An ordinary house, a house made of stone and brick, but it's a house that could possibly hold many secrets, a memory of a past now gone and forgotten. Come with me as I explore this majestic old farm home tucked away in the middle of a neverland. This old Victorian home surrounded by the Australian bush, which can seem like a ghost of the bygone era. So let's enter its empty hallway and see what's left behind.
What's happening, guys? Welcome to another episode of Werner's Adventures. Here we go, another abandoned home. So let's have a look, see if we can gain access to it. Here with Heather and Drew. Check their channels out. All right, this one, if it's open, would possibly be a time capsule, I reckon. We'll go through here. Yeah, I think she's open, guys. Maybe. Alright, let's have a look. Alright. I don't know what this message says on the door. Come to... I don't know. Yeah, she's open. Oh, wow, this is definitely a time capsule. Get some light happening. Oh wow, hello. Look, I don't think anyone lives here. A bit creepy in here, actually. All right. have a look. Right. It's quite stable heather. Yeah. Wow, look at this. And it's still got the billy on it. How cool is that? There is a huntsman there. A huntsman spider. Right. Look at that nice cabinet. It's cool. Wow. Let's see what's in the fridge. We have to open it. Right. All right, we'll keep looking. What does that say? 1996. Wow. Okay. This has some beautiful stained glass as well. Look at this big freezer. Oh wow. It's definitely a time capsule. This is what I don't like, is when people come into these old abandoned homes and they just graffiti the fuck out of it. I hate that. That is really annoying. It just makes it hard for everyone else. Okay, what do we got in there? The original fireplace. Oh, look at that cool light. Here with Drew and Heather, so if you hear any voices, that'll be Drew and Heather. So check their channels out, of course. All right, I'm just gonna have a look at the front room, but have a look at this stained glass. Isn't that cool? Wow. What am I seeing out there? It looks like some sort of a bird. Yeah, a peacock. We might go out there actually, but there's a peacock. I'll just open that door a bit, just to let some light through. All right. We'll have a look in here. This room's got all the wallpaper on it. Oh wow. There's all papers here. There's all photos. Oh wow. We'll have a look at some of those. Now that might be the place. Their garden. Okay. There's all sorts of old things down there, guys. Boxes of, there's an old paper or magazine. Let's see if we can have a look at that. Whoopsie daisy. Oh, there we go, look. Now that is old. It's so hot in here. I am sweating. There's an old box there. Kookaburra on it. Kookaburra in the old gum tree. Mary, Mary King of the bush is here, absolutely. Stephen King. Nothing wrong with Stephen King, guys. Alright, what is this open? Put you in there. Nothing. Mattress up there. What that being for a sleepover? That's where they'd store the spare mattress. I was going to say battery. Anyway, guys, we'll keep looking. That room's a time capsule. Alright. The old Thor zone.
The carpet's still here. Look at this, the old telephone.
Polar 15,000. The old light.
Let's get over this.
Right. Now. What the hell is that? I thought that was a snake for a sec. Down there. Alright, here's the bathroom, but we'll have a... Oh, that was a wardrobe. I actually thought that was going to be another room. The mystery basket. This is the original kitchen. Okay. Wow, look at this. That's like lace. Here's the toilet. The original toilet house. Okay, I've just heard Drew say he was going to open the chest, but that was already open. So, Heather must have closed it maybe. Well, I hope so. Anyway, this is the bathroom. I just still love these old doorknobs, they're so cool. Okay, here's another bedroom. That's a cool bedroom. Not that graffiti, of course. This is what I mean. People just come in here and they just wreck it. Right. We have the Pentagon down there. Whatever amuses people. That breeze that's coming through is just a godsend in the moment. Just look at that curtain just moving in the wind. All right, we'll keep looking. We're back out into the kitchen, but there was another room that we didn't see, so we'll have a look in there. Right, we'll just have a quick look out here. Whoops. I think it started to rain, guys. There's an old fan there, an old Mistral. So this would have been the laundry. Oh, there's lots of asbestos down there. So we won't go all the way in just because there's asbestos and it is windy. So, and I didn't bring a mask. All right. Well, that's about all for the inside of the home. So I'm going to close this door back up and we're going to go on out through the front. So we'll see you out the front, guys. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. We've got a few more to do today, so we'll see you there. That's a cool door with the peacock on it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.